What's the deal, guys? It's Mr. Legit. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to open you guys up to my new office. It's actually a little warehouse. We did downsize because of COVID. We were at our last building for 3 years, and I kind of spooked out a little bit. Plus, we were kind of outgrowing it. So right now is a good opportunity to get production here and then look for an office, because if you guys have ever looked for an office space and a warehouse space into one, it's a nightmare. So we opened up this for production. We're gonna stay here and then look for just an office space. I gotta say one thing though, man. There's so much controversy in the YouTube world in the roofing community on YouTube. Like I would say, Roofing Insights and Dimitri and Zach at World's Fastest Shingler. First of all, if you guys are watching, take my hat off to both of you guys. I think that you guys have done a great job building your YouTube channel. It's a lot harder than it looks. I think I have like 450 subscribers. It's a lot harder than it looks. But one thing I gotta say, I really haven't talked to you guys about what I'm about. And I would say, like, Dimitri, he is a good businessman, maybe not the best installer. I haven't really seen him install. I've seen him hand bang a couple nails in a couple videos. Not to say anything bad, but I don't think he really claims to be a badass roofer. And then you got the World's Fastest Shingler, claims to be the fastest, which he's pretty quick, probably a lot faster than me. And he's a hell of an installer. So you got both sides. You got a businessman and you got a that talks a lot about the roofing, and it's great to have him in the industry talking about, you know, the products and having insights. Then you have Zach kind of showing, you know, how to roof and all that stuff. And then you got me. I'm just in between. I'm a businessman. I had 129 employees last year, and I can roof. I've roofed. Do I roof every day? No. But can I? Yes, I could slap some squares on. I did it for, this is my 18th year in the game. And I started I'm 36 now. I started my company when I was 27, and so I worked for about 9 years roofing, and I continued to work before I got my company. So you guys are definitely at the right channel, because if you guys need some business tips, I've done it. I ran 15-man sales crews where we're running, you know, 20 leads a day. And we have 2 stores, 2 locations. We have one on the south side of Portland, one on the north side. So that's kind of built me. I know about sales percentages and pitch percentages. So if you guys are new, leave a comment and I can tell you guys exactly how we kind of run, you know, all of that. That's a whole nother story about that. But I do understand the sales, the marketing side of it, and I can install shingles as well. But come over here. The reason why I opened this up, because I want to show you guys what I have on my channel. So underneath this tarp, we did it because it is raining. And we live in Portland. What do you expect? It to be dry here? But underneath this, we do have some shelving, and I'm going to show you guys where it's going to go. But we have shelving because coming from the last office, we had at least some shelving behind. And downsizing, we have with the pandemic, downsizing, we have a ton, and I mean a ton of tools that I got to get put away because I have a bigger, you know. We've had a bigger company and we had to downsize, like I said. And all these tools, I don't trust anybody. Nobody should. So all these tools, I just want to make sure they're all locked up, safe, and put away and organized. So come in here and check this out. So the reason all this stuff's right here is because this van has been sitting here for a good 6 weeks because of the pandemic, and it's dead. So now we're charging it. I can't wait to get all that stuff out of here. We're charging it right now. It's at 10%. Yeah, it's at 10% on a 2 amp, just charging it up. But come in here, guys. I'm not gonna show you guys the inside of my office right now. This is more of like a warehouse and roofing. Who cares anyways? I guess some of those Dimitri followers will be like, what's inside the office? I wanna see the sales board and all that. Screw all that, that'll be another video. But we have pressure washer, and this is actually a pretty cool little piece of equipment. It's a HEPA filter. And basically in Washington State, if you're doing siding, hardy plank, it has silica in it, and they really started cracking down on that. So basically this has to connect to your saw, suck out all the dust. There's no dust, and it gets put in a bag, and it's pretty crazy stuff. It's a pain dealing with silica and then lead tear off. Sometimes these jobs can take a while, but come on and check this out. So basically, this is kind of our little workstation over, or a little you know, little tiny station, because we don't even have a break room here. And we're gonna be building a break room. I'll show you guys over here, but if you guys look, see these roofers just came and dropped the tools off. There's tools everywhere here. So if somebody just came in here, they'd have a heyday, and I can't even keep track of it all. It bugs me because I don't want people tripping over it. I mean, you have ladders, you have metal. We have this right here, or this shelf over here is really made to put it's a pallet shelf. So it can hold a lot of weight. And right now it's basically storing, who knows? I don't even know. We kind of got out of there and slammed everything in here. I mean, I got computer equipment. If you guys are from Portland, have you guys ever been to City Liquidators? City Liquidators is a company that sells office equipment. And that's kind of what it looks like right now. I'm gonna keep it all because, again, my plan is to open up operation here and look for a office space just with office, because it's super simple to find, just office. That way it can fit everybody back in, we can get rolling again. Now this is kind of special to me because I started the company out as legit exterior or legit roofing, and I was about to toss these, and my buddy was like, no man, he's like, those things are tight, man, put those up. So I realized, like, yeah man, they are pretty badass. So we're gonna hang these things up because we are legit exteriors now. So we'll hang those up, get them up here in the shop somewhere, maybe even, you know, I don't know, but I'll keep them. This is right here, you guys are walking into a break room. We're gonna be building a break room in here. And I got the brains of the operation. We had 50 phones. I had a bunch of telemarketers, canvassers, all that stuff. So if you guys need any questions about all that, scripts and all that, I know about all that. It took me years to learn that stuff too. Again, when I first started my company, when I was 27, I didn't even know what an invoice was. I was out doing new construction, and one of the guys was, one of the builders was like, hey, when the job was done, you know, I'm like, hey, he's like, send me invoice. I'm like, what invoice, you know? That's another story. I could talk to you guys about how I built my company. But yeah, basically, this is all the racking, and we can hang it, or this isn't the racking, but all this stuff, the brains of operation, what I like to call, we're gonna take this piece of plywood, hang it up there, make it all look clean. So that's the phones, basically the server. And now you don't see too many tools down here. You do see a little bit of tools right here to the left and to the right of me. These tools are basically something that one of the crews just dropped off. Up here, this is where I want to spend most of my time. I'm actually going to take you guys on the tour up there with all the tools, but it's not built yet. So I'm going to make another video of me organizing it and just showing you guys how we organized it. I don't even know what I'm going to do yet. I know I'm going to put those shelves up, but it's still, I don't know what's going to have to come together. I'm pretty excited about it, and I'll make sure to show you guys when it's done, kind of break down each tool, what we have, because I love tools. There's even more tools on the other side of this van. But I'll show you guys this. Now that we're upstairs, below us is actually the warehouse, but look at all these tools. There's so many tools everywhere. We have compressors, we have generators, we have more HEPA vacs, we have heaters, propane torches for torch down. I don't know what you guys do. We do torch down. We do everything up here, but we have monitors. Look at this pile. This looks like Houston's freeways right here, man. Like this is just like hoses and electrical cords, literally hoses, ladders. This is overwhelming. I know it's gotta be overwhelming for you guys. I don't even know what's up here. We have skill saws. Look, there's 2 skill saws here. There's so many tools. Here's these, look at this. Here's these HEPA collection bags, but this is actually pretty cool stuff. And then, so basically what my plan is though, guys, is I want to build these shelves up here, and somehow, I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. And then, you know, we're going to have some lock-in shelves, but I really am super excited about showing you guys that video. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. That way you guys don't miss out on any other content. Hit the like button. It really helps when you guys do hit the like button on this video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram too. I do have an account over there, and we do have a little bit of inside peek. I do take a little bit more pictures and videos over there. So make sure to follow me over there if you guys haven't already. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. You guys have a good day. I'm getting out of here. Peace.